Hello friends, I'm excited to share a quick delicious dinner of pork tenderloin that's glazed in an apricot bourbon jam. In a small bowl, we're going to whisk together some cornstarch, some sugar, some salt, and some pepper. Spread the mixture on a rimmed baking sheet. Pat the tenderloin dry with paper towels and roll it in the cornstarch mixture, ensuring an even coat on all sides. We want to make sure to pat off any excess cornstarch to avoid clumping. Pour some oil in a heavy bottom pan, and then we're going to sear that tenderloin for about 8 to 12 minutes until all the sides are nice and golden brown. Transfer that tenderloin to a wire rack and set over a rimmed baking sheet. To make the glaze, we're going to whisk together the apricot jam, and you can use bourbon or water if you're not up for using bourbon in your glaze. Give it a good whisk and then set it aside. Spoon out 1 tablespoon of the glaze and set that aside. We want to avoid cross-contamination. Now let's brush the tenderloin with about 1 tablespoon of the glaze. We're going to put it in the oven and roast it until the internal temperature reaches 130 degrees. That's going to take about 12 to 20 minutes. Then you're going to pull it back out of the oven and brush it with another tablespoon of glaze and continue roasting it until the internal temperature reaches 135 to 140, about 2 to 4 more minutes. Remove from the oven and brush with the reserved glaze. Let rest uncovered for about 10 minutes. Slice into 1/4 inch thick pieces, and now you're ready to serve. Enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe to our Table for Two.